We're traveling now around Speckleton's place.
Hi.
There's Cheyenne. We're going to follow Ellie. We follow Ellie.
It's Georgie.
Nope, that's Ellie. Georgie's over there. Nope, this is Georgie. That's Ellie.
I told you.
There's Dusty. There's the Hope.
Come here, Swing.
There's Nugget and Meg. And there's the Suede. This is my big boy Suede. There's Hector's mommy. There's the Meg. There's Ellie. There's Isaac. And Caroline and Riley. There's a big boy. There's a big boy. Let's go see. There's June. There's a Georgie.
Ellie.
Nope. Yes, that's Ellie.
Ellie. Georgie.
That's the Ellie.
She has no black stuff on her tail. Or barely any.
Let's see.
Hello.
We travel through. There's the tiny terrorist. There she goes.
Mom. Where?
From that way. There's Moretta. Miss Gloria Jean over there. And Rita. And there's Panda and Dottie and Wynette.
Honey.
Tiny terrorist. There's the terrorist. There she is. And we go all the way over here.
Let's follow Mommy. Mom. You guys right behind me. I'm carrying her.
We got the terrorists in pursuit. There's Caroline. And there's the Riley.
Mom, looky. Mom.
There's a big bat in the dark. There's a terrorist. Over here are the babies. Most of which are coming home with me. It's babies. The hairy-legged horde. There they are. Oh, aren't they cute? And then, there's the Carly. There's the Penny. Sun's over there in the shade. In the shadow. And there's Angus and Aubrey. And my little love.
Mom.
There is Amy. There is Amy. And there's the Sunny. In the shadow.
Remember,
Pocket Pet Penny.
Aubrey has the bigger fluffy comb. It's that one in front of Aubrey.
This is Aubrey. And there's my little love. So Rufus. Rufus. There's Angus. Woo! And there's Carly. There's the Penny. Where's Penny? Send up the Penny. For your photo shoot. There's Penny.
Where are you going?
There's Penny.
Where are you going?
Come here,
Where are you
Rufus.
talking to?
Come here, Rufus. Rufus. Come here, my little love. Come here, my little man. It's Sunny. Sunny. Yes, it's Sunny. It's Sunny. It's Sunny. There's the little purple princess.